What up, y'all? It's your girl Lindsay Bella Cruz. Today I have this awesome video for you. I will be showing you how to make this gift certificate right here. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. It's very easy, very simple, and fun. All right. So how we're gonna go about doing this is it's the same step as the DIY business credit cards I showed you. So you would have to basically go to create a design, enter the dimensions and of the template, which would be 12 by 5 inches, and then from there basically you would be going to basically add the different lines you're going to need. So you would need the to, the from, the amount, cert ID, and date. You can do this however you want. This is how I decided to do it. You can also add, your website and your phone number, so you could make it unique. So once you've added all of that information, you would basically add the gift certificate. That's the last part that I did. So I showed you also here a couple of different fonts. The first two, I believe, were free fonts. There was a third one that I wanted to include, but I didn't have a chance to. But Moontime is a good one. The one before that, I believe, was Signature. That was another good one. And then if you do have a pro account, basically, you would be able to use the next three that I'm going to be showing you. You would need to basically have a paid account. Basically, so the first pro font is Brittany. I saw that one. That was really interesting, and I thought it was really nice. I think it went with this project. Anything that looks like a signature type of font, I really like. And so I was going through. They have, if you're not familiar with Canva, they have so many, especially if you have a pro account, they have so many different fonts that you can go and use basically. And you can also import your own as well, upload your own, but yeah, they had a million of them. Not a million, but they had a lot. So Brittany was one of the first pro fonts that I really liked. I think it really went well with this project. Like I said, there's so many different kinds. You could, go and explore on your own to see what fits best for you and your project. But I thought this one's really cute. The second one that I found that was really cute and interesting, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I believe it's a Mita or something to that effect. I believe something like that. Mita. I thought that one was really cute. It's similar to the Brittany one for sure. But I think it stood out more than the Brittany one. I think it was really well done. And I think this is actually my favorite one actually. I just love the way it looks. I love the way, all the letters, fit together. I just thought it was really cute. So honestly, of all the ones that I've gone through, all the fonts, is actually my number one pick for this project. So definitely worth taking a look and worth testing. And that's the only way you're gonna figure out what works for you, is by testing them out for sure. But yeah, this one was a really nice one. Like I said, I thought it fit well, really well with this project, and how I envisioned it. So hopefully you guys agree with me. If not, you can always find your own. And let's go over to the third and final font that I thought was interesting for this project. I'm not particularly sure how to pronounce this one either. I believe it's Raylane, something similar, something like that. I thought this one was cute also. Like I said, there's so many of them, guys. You could go with any one of these or any one of your own. But yeah, this was another cute one that I saw that fit well with this project. And yeah, that was about it. That's all I had for you for today. I don't know if I mentioned it, but as far as the As far as the lines, what I did was to get the lines. I did not use the lines that Canva had. I actually used the underscore, I believe it's called. Yeah. To basically, I used a couple of them and made that line. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will be definitely working on some more awesome videos for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.